Hi. As you know, in week 15 we have the Talent Focus Week. During this week, coworkers will experience virtual reality. This will allow them to experience leadership in store environments without actually being there. We're not quite done yet, but here's a sneak peek of what's coming.
At IKEA, we believe in people. We see every co-worker as a unique talent, and this uniqueness makes IKEA even better. And we believe that our co-workers want to do their best and continue to learn and develop. IKEA is not just a workplace. We want you to create your own.
Hey, ich bin Raphael und ich bin Manager in der Logistik. Was ich am meisten am IKEA schätze, ist der Zusammenhalt. Wir sind eine große IKEA-Familie, die täglich versucht, neue und höhere Ziele zu erreichen. Und das schaffen wir nur, wenn wir ein eingefleischtes Team sind. Dazu gehört es nicht nur, dass wir alle zusammen in dieselbe Richtung arbeiten, sondern auch innerlich den Drang verspüren, uns konstant zu erneuern, zu verbessern, bessere Routinen zu finden und schlussendlich auch unser Wissen mit unseren Mitarbeitern zu.
Welcome back. Now you almost had the same experience as I did, but you really have to put on the VR headset to get the full experience. We look forward to giving this opportunity to the coworkers in week 15.